Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. The first one is a cow. A cow is a farm animal. The next animal is a horse. A horse is a farm animal. The next animal is giraffe. This is giraffe. Giraffe is a wild animal. Giraffe. The next animal is a hippo. This is a hippopotamus. A hippo. The next animal is the next point is a leopard. This is a leopard.